Gujarat is basically primarily a manufacturing-driven economy, and we have a lot of big factories in and around Gujarat, big corporates, and also a thriving startup ecosystem. So industry has a problem which can be solved, and startups are the people who can benefit from that. How is it happening actually on ground?
So, particularly for us, right, there are two things that we are driving, right? First is compliance, right? So it would be, I have to rephrase, it would be quality-driven compliance is something that we are doing. And, sorry, as sir rightly said, that portals like MSMEs are certain things that we are using to connect with the industry, right? So the first point being said, there are certain compliances that every country and even our own country is bringing in for multiple segments of the industry. As a consumer, we might not be aware, but being on the forefront of the manufacturing industry, I can definitely say that बहुत हलचल मची हुई है अंदर, right? जितना एवरी डे कॉम्प्लाइंसेस चेंज हो रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट जितना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग को स्ट्रिंजेंट करती जा रही है फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स, राइट? वी एज कंज्यूमर्स माइट जस्ट बी सिपिंग अ ग्लास ऑफ कोक एट होम, बट यू हैव नो आइडिया कि कोक वाले वो बनाने में और उनका अप्रूवल लेने में क्या पसीना बहा रहे हैं, राइट? सो वो पसीना थोड़ा कम बहे, इसीलिए हम थोड़ा हेल्प कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्रीज़ को. सो लेमन टर्म्स में हम AI एंड ब्लॉकचेन जैसे टर्म्स को यूज़ कर कर, जैसी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को यूज़ कर कर इंडस्ट्रीज़ को स्मार्ट कर रहे हैं. एंड अब आई वुड से जब मैं भी कॉलेज में पढ़ रही थी तब से ये टर्म बहुत वायरल था, स्मार्ट इंडस्ट्री, इंडस्ट्री 4.0, बट आई डोंट थिंक इवन आफ्टर 10 years of being in the industry, I have not seen that happening anytime soon, right? And the major challenge in that industry is first the skill set that is a very like rudimentary right now, and also the technology that is present in the market, right? MSME like has many tools, many facilities have been provided, but people are really not aware about it, right? So what we are doing is we have made a single platform to run your entire plant, right? Starting from your raw material procurement to your quality management compliances to your exports to your supply chain management, everything. Sir, जो fish track कर रहे थे, we are certainly tracking shipments of many clients of ours across the globe, right? So the agenda is two things. When it comes to FDA compliances और EU compliances, अब compliances का term ये नहीं है कि आपका documentation पूरा होना चाहिए, अब ये है compliances are more driving towards transparency, right? If you have said that you have made a certain batch with certain quality and quantity, right, you should have the technology or you should have the digital proof to prove it. Right? There should not be any manual tweaks that you do in your documentation to gain the trust of your auditors. Now auditors are very smart enough and asking for your digital proofs, right? Other thing that I have seen in the MSME sector is there are, as I said, facilities, but people are not aware about it. And even if they are aware about it, there is a lot of resistance to adapt to new things, right? I was just saying to sir that people that we hire, we have that clear mindset at this July इसके 3 महीने तो हम उसको काम ही नहीं दे सकते. We have to train them on that trust, that 3 months we have to train that guy to adapt to the new technology, right? But that being said, there can be multiple things that we can still do in the industry, right? हम आज software को like software as a service की तरह term कर रहे हैं. We'll be soon seeing manufacturing shaping a new term as factory as a service, wherein smart factories would be provided by the government for new upcoming budding manufacturers to use them on a rental basis or something, right? So that new technology is definitely adapted, and given this landscape, we are talking about 2047, maybe by 2050 we'll be generating some 1 trillion jobs with just circular manufacturing and smart manufacturing.